Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Leena. I'm doing videos related to luxury, lifestyle and travel. In today's video, I will have another unboxing from Louis Vuitton. It is very small, it's not handbag, it's not SLG, but it is something in this box that I'm gonna share with you. I'm gonna do the unboxing and also share with you a few of the items that I got from Neiman Marcus. This is the item that I got from Louis Vuitton website. So let's open it. This is how it shipped to me. Louis Vuitton on the box. The box always has a tape right here. At first I didn't know what it is, but it actually for returning if you want to ship this back. Okay, so this is the receipt and look at this little box. This time this box doesn't have blue ribbon, just the box. I love the box from Louis Vuitton because it has a door that you can pull out like this to open. Look at the tiny dust bag. Okay, so here it is. It has Louis Vuitton on the dust bag. Let's open, review the inside. Okay, it has a coat and it's that coated fabric. Okay, look at this. It is called Keep It Toys bracelet from Louis Vuitton. Wow, it is very small. This is my first piece from Louis Vuitton fashion jewelry. So I don't know how it's gonna fit on my wrist because it looks very small. It is in size 17. Oh my God, it looks so cute. It has the padlock and it is coated fabric. Let me show you a close look of this bracelet. It has double bracelet and it has a padlock. I don't know why the tape around the padlock is unwrapped already. It looks like it's unwrapped and then rewrap it. Let's see. Okay. It is a very shiny gold tone hardware. It has an LV logo right here, as well as the lock. It has a LV logo on it. The lighting makes it hard to see. It has a code inside here. Let's take a close look of this bracelet. It has the monogram on the bracelet. Very nice. And it is in size 17, so I'm not sure how it is on my wrist. Okay, so this is how it is on my wrist right now. It is in size 17, so I think it is a good size for me. This is my first piece from Louis Vuitton fashion jewelry, so I never try any pieces from the store. So I just guess it must be a smallest size. So I got in size 17 and it fits me perfectly. It doesn't roll around because I don't want the jewelry that, just roll around my wrist. And I think some pieces just come with size 15, but this Keep It Toys bracelet just come in size 17 and 19. At first, I didn't know that it is so hard to get this piece. I just surfed in the website and I saw this piece. I chose it because I like the style and it was there. It was available in size 17 and I decided to get it after I watched few YouTube videos and just see how people like it. And I went back after 15 minutes and added to the cart from Louis Vuitton website. But the next day, I tried to look at it again, and it is not available. I'm not sure if Louis Vuitton has low stock in this bracelet or it is popular. I'm not sure. But for me, I love the style. I love it. It looks so classic, and it is not too big, it's not too small. I just love the lock. It's shiny and it's dangling. It is so cute. I'm gonna share with you a few of the items that I got from Neiman Marcus. This is Neiman Marcus last call, so it is like an outlet. I wasn't planning to go shopping, but last week my house was sprayed for pest control, so I had to take the kids out for a few hours. So we just walked around the mall. When I passed by Neiman Marcus, it was so crowded. I just didn't know what was happening, so I went in and checked out, and it was closing. That's why everything was on sale, and like most of the items from the stores are gone. Everything was 90%. So I decided to go in and found really nice items. And let me share with you here. This is the first piece. It is about knee high. Very nice. This is the second piece. Very bright. I think this dress gonna look very nice in the fall. This is another one. It is black and it is very long. Very beautiful. Look at this bright blue dress. I love it. It is not too long, but not too short. Very elegant. Look how pretty this one. Very, very nice dress. This is another black dress, very beautiful. This piece is the most beautiful. I love it so much. When I was at the store, because it's so crowded and because the store was closing, so they didn't really let anybody to try on. So I just guess in my size. So this piece is the only piece that doesn't fit. I wish that I could lose some pounds for this, but I probably just give this dress to someone. But it is so pretty. I also got a pair of boots right here. It is very bright, but because I never had a red boot, so I thought I would get this one for Christmas because I love Christmas. It may not for every day, but it's gonna be nice for winter, especially on holiday. So I decided to get it, and it is very, very good deal. This pair of boots is from BCBG, and it is 90% off. So even just wear it one time, it's still worth it. And it is so comfortable, although it has heel, but it's blocked like this. So it's very comfortable walking in it, and it is soft right here. So it's gonna be great for next Christmas. I already planned what I'm gonna wear for next Christmas. That was what I got from the shopping haul. I hope you like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. I hope you can join my journey here on YouTube and also on Facebook and Instagram. I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye bye.